Are you from Europe and you're thinking about coming all the way to California to come see me? What if I told you the trip is not as crazy as you think it is? You only need a couple days and you'll feel amazing. Check out these two patients that came from Germany that went from frustrated to fantastic. Horrible scoliosis. She has 58 degrees.
I have a lot of pain in my back, my neck, and lower back, because my hands are numb, because I can't sleep.
Forward, but still there.
I've had 3 adjustments so far, and I feel incredible. I felt immediately a lot of my tension go away. Since my first adjustment, I haven't really had any pain, which is amazing. And what happened for the first time after I don't know how many years, I slept for 9 hours of deep sleep, like not remembering anything, just slept.
Yeah, I'm here because I'm suffering now over 5-6 years with vertigo and lightheadedness. So I was treated in Germany with other chiropractors, let's say 50 to 70 times.
Focus on C5, C6. Good. Dizziness, vertigo. Tell us about that. How's that changed?
Yeah, it's completely gone.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ace Thayer, and if you enjoyed this video, check out my YouTube channel. I have over 600 videos and 10 years of data on there. We get tons of international patients. Check those videos out too. If you want to contact me, look at the end of this video for my contact information and give me a call. I'd love to help you get your life back. See you on the next video.